Before we let you go, I just have really a simple question for you. Would you buy the pound today?
No.
Okay. Why not? I mean, basically, how much further does it have to go?
Well, they're really rolling the dice on this. I mean, this will be the greatest experiment ever run if it succeeds in stimulating the UK economy. But I think there's a real question mark about applying a lot of fiscal to an economy which is facing a lot of supply constraints. The U.S. tried that in 2021, and we saw what happened. And, I think the market is, watching the budget and just kind of digesting this. I'd say the range of views is dire to, cross your fingers and light some candles. If it works, it's great. But I don't think anyone really has confidence that this is a policy that's going to really get growth going again.
Okay, so Stephen,
it's showing up as a weak pound.